This is your Unit 2 Lesson 12. This is for Thursday. You do not have a quiz. October 3rd, and it's our last lesson of the week. Just like before, I'm going to model by looking at 5 components on how I get my skill and my TTED. The first thing I ask myself is, what is the big idea? And then the second question I ask myself is, what is the thinking kids need to be able to do? What thinking do kids need to be able to do? So today we're going to subtract 2-digit numbers with regrouping by using sticks and dots. Aim is the same as yesterday, fluently add and subtract within 100 by using a variety of different operations. And we're thinking about the relationship between addition and subtraction. I can subtract 2-digit numbers using sticks and dots. And subtraction, when we do not have a large enough amount to subtract from, we can regroup a 10 from the next largest place value. Okay. I'm not going to go at it yet because I want to first double check that everything is lining up here. How can we subtract that? How can we solve this? How many ones do we have? What do? We can regroup a 10 into ones. Again, why? Why? Turn and talk. Tell your partner why. Why does that work? This is an actually good question. Nice job. How do we solve this? What is 3 minus 8? Okay, so if they're voting no, when you say what's 3 minus 8, not what do we need to, why do you disagree with me? What do we need to do? This is another turn and talk. Bring it back. Why? What did then we need to do to subtract? This is okay. It's driving all towards the regrouping component. And we're regrouping today only with sticks and dots. So the thinking that so I'm asking myself, what's the big idea? The big idea is I can subtract a part from a whole, and when I do not have enough to take from, I can regroup. I'm going to write that down really quick. I can subtract a part from a whole, and when I do not have enough, I regroup. That's actually a today, tomorrow, never need to say that. So in order for me to get to the mastery components of this, first, like always, I identify the part, the whole. I represent the whole in sticks and dots. I take in ones. If not enough, I regroup from tens. Watch me do it. Oh man, okay. Great, so I'm going to first identify whole, part. Now I could create a representation. I would suggest it. I'm going to represent my tens, 50. I don't need that. 4. And I like to do the visual, minus 10, minus 9. Do I have enough here? Do I have enough ones to take away? I start my ones place with smaller. No, so I go to my tens place. I circle it, cross it out, and regroup. Now I can take away 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 ones left. And then I'm taking away, I'm going to write 110 instead, and 9's ones and 6. I think it's safer. Take away 110. I have 3 10s left. That's 30 plus 5 equals 35. This is all you need kids to be really firm in their mastery of today. When I don't have enough, I go to the tens place. I regroup a 10 into 10 ones, so then I have enough to take from.